Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Thursday as President Donald Trump is reportedly planning on imposing an additional $200 billion worth of tariffs on Chinese imports by next week. Meanwhile, shares in automobiles and components, consumer durables and apparel and material sectors, they all fell during the day, while on the economic front, personal income increasing by 0.3% in July, below expectations of 0.4%, personal spending increasing by 0.4% in July, meeting expectations. In addition, initial jobless claims figures increasing to 213,000 in the week ended August 25th. Finally, the Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index that decreased to a total of 58.3 in the week ended August 26th. When combined, decliners ahead of advancers, 81% of SP500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Ulta Beauty announcing second quarter EPS of $2.46 on sales of $1.49 billion. Boeing announcing that it has secured an $805 million contract from the U.S. Navy to develop the MQ-25 aerial refueler. And Dollar Tree downgraded to neutral from overweight at J.P. Morgan. Meanwhile, Asian markets mostly sliding today. The Nikkei down 0.2%. The Hang Seng down 0.98%. China CSI 300 down 0.5%. South Korea's Kospi up just about 0.2%. European markets losing ground in U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, there's no major earnings expected. While on the economic docket, 9:45 in the morning, we have the August Chicago PMI read. 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the August final University of Michigan consumer sentiment read. Now, looking at the markets, the S&P 500 intraday, that's under pressure and in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bearish. Short positions below 29.12 are favored with targets at 28.94 and 28.85 in extension. The Nasdaq, that's under pressure, and the Dow Jones under pressure as well.